Hey, I am Laura Wilson and I'm your history instructor for the MiniMester. I wanted to take a second, welcome you to the class, and go over a few things about how to navigate the course and to get started. If you'll notice, I am in our course on Blackboard under the Begin Course Here tab at the top. If you click here, you will see a welcome explaining some of the important links and parts of the course, and then a tutorial at the bottom that just helps you navigate Blackboard, and some information about what is the best way to have success in the course. There are discussion assignments and 2 exams, and this will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to be sure you are getting all the points possible. If you look here under Instructor Info, you will see my office number and office room number. And also you will see a link. This link will allow you to email me. This is the only way to communicate with me from within the course. I disable the Blackboard messages. This will allow you to email me directly. It also makes sure that in the subject it puts what course you're in, and that's very helpful to allow me to get with you and get the answers to your question as quickly as possible. I do have 6 history classes, so if you say, when is the assignment in history due, that could mean a lot of different things. So if you email me this way, it shows me exactly what class you're in and allows me to answer your questions a lot faster. If you notice, next you will have the syllabus and then the class schedule, okay? The class schedule is the tentative due dates, okay? It is possible for these dates to change. However, it is unlikely due to how quickly MiniMesters go. You'll see on here that I have it organized by week, and then within each week there are individualized due dates. You will see the midterm information and the final. The midterm multiple choice is done with Respondus Lockdown Browser. And we'll talk about that. The essay is able to be worked on throughout the first half of the semester. And so it's not a traditional test. It's more of a short answer portion. And so these have the due dates. I will accept work late if you get behind, and I know that that's going to happen. As I said, this is moving very quickly. I will accept work late, but I will not accept any assignments after the exam is given. So for example, the midterm is on April 4th here, April 5th. And so before the midterm, you can make up any of these, but once you've done the midterm, all of these are closed, all of these assignments. And so you will not be able to do any of the assignments that are intended to prepare you for the midterm. Here is a picture of your textbook, your ISBN number. Very, very important that you have this book. I encourage you to make sure you get it and get it shipped quickly, because it is not an acceptable excuse for not completing assignments to say you haven't received your book yet. Unfortunately, you can get behind, and that can really cost you some points. Next, I would like to talk about the course content. If you look at Unit 1, you will see some instructions about how to successfully complete the assignments, and then you'll see the discussion itself. If you click this, it will take you to the Chapter 15 discussion forum. Now, if you want to see all of it, all of the discussion board, you can also just click discussion board, and it will show you this discussion. But basically, you are going to respond to the instructions and questions here, and you will post it. These need to be answered thoroughly and completely. This is the only opportunity I have to see if you've really read and understand the material. And so I need you to have thoughtful and comprehensive answers. In addition, in order to get your points, you will need to thoughtfully respond to one of your peers' posts. It actually won't send me yours to grade until you have responded to someone else's as well as posted. That's a really great place for us to stop. It's a good way to get started. Gives you the gist of the important things in the course and a jump start on how to do all of these assignments correctly. I am looking forward to a great MiniMester together. I look forward to reading your work. Good luck.